Good afternoon. I'm Teresa Heitsenrether, Global Head of Security Services at JP Morgan, and I'm very happy to have the opportunity to speak to you today. While we're unable to gather in person, it's great that we can come together in this virtual forum to discuss the topics most relevant to our industry, particularly in these uncertain times. JP Morgan is proud to be an active member of Nicsa and a sponsor of both the 2020 General Membership Meeting and the Diversity Project. Looking back over the year, I'm sure like everyone here, our team started with a solid plan for what we would deliver in 2020. In fact, I spoke at JP Morgan's Investor Day in February and talked about the strong performance of our security services business, as well as our plans for continued growth and investment in our platform. Within just a few short weeks of that presentation, COVID-19 had become a global pandemic, and our 14,000-person security services team, as well as our clients, were operating almost entirely remotely. JP Morgan's commitment to through-the-cycle investments in technology and resiliency enabled us to continue to deliver the high level of service our clients deserve, while also executing on some of the largest client outsourcing mandates in the history of our industry. We continued to deliver on our strategic initiatives, including the launch of our next-generation middle office that leverages the technology supporting our own trading businesses to provide scalable and efficient outsourcing solutions for our clients. I'm proud of the way our business has performed, and I think it's fair to say that as an industry, we have demonstrated tremendous resiliency despite these unprecedented circumstances. And while the past several months have been challenging, I'd like to focus on today's conference theme of hope on the horizon, since there are many positive signs for the future. I'll share just two observations. First, as an industry, both the buy and the sell side are continuously working to drive scale and efficiency for end investors. The shift to remote working has sparked an increase in the pace of digital adoption and innovation during the past several months. I think we're all seeing the benefits, and it will be important to continue to work together to hold on to these gains and advance the pace of digital adoption. Second, despite the many great advances in technology, at the end of the day, the true value in our industry is derived from the diversity of skills, experiences, and talents of the people who work in this space. Events over the last several months have highlighted the urgency and collective responsibility we have to take action to address racial injustice and promote diversity. At JP Morgan, we've been working to make inclusivity central to our culture, how we engage, educate, and drive meaningful change both in our firm and our communities. There's a renewed commitment to treat diversity and inclusion as a business imperative, and we look forward to continuing to work closely with Nicsa's Diversity Project to foster real progress in our industry. Coming up on the conference agenda is JP Morgan Chase's Chairman and CEO, Jamie Dimon. Jamie is a visionary leader and a champion of our business, our clients, and our communities. I know you'll enjoy hearing his insights in the upcoming conversation with Nicsa's President, Jim Fitzpatrick. On behalf of JP Morgan, I'd like to thank Nicsa for putting this forum together and for the great content we've shared over the last 3 days. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of the conference. Thanks for the opportunity to speak to you, and be well.